Okay. So conditional operators are ternary operator. How it is denoted? Question mark and colon. Okay. So what is the syntax? Slim. Am I audible? Can you hear me? So here, okay, it's clear. So here the syntax. So here what to write here the expression. Okay, here expression, then question mark, or you can say here what? Here write the expression or condition. Okay, condition, then here question mark, then here expression 1 or something 1 colon next to 2. Okay, this is the syntax. So based on this condition, okay, so if the condition is get true, okay, then you will get the such output. If condition is false, then you will get this output. Okay, so for example, if you written here a greater than b, the question mark, then a and colon b. Okay. Hello. Yes. Okay. So for example, so if you have the value of a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, suppose right now we don't have the if condition. Okay, if you don't want to use the if condition and you want to find the largest or smallest number among the two number without using the if condition, then we can use this conditional operators or ternary operators. This is very important. Okay, very important. So now this is the syntax. Okay, this is a general syntax, and we can say the, for example, suppose a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Now where the syntax is what? A greater than b, this is our expression or condition, and then question mark a colon b. So if a greater than b is true, then the output is a. Okay, if this statement is false, then output is b. Got it? Okay, so now by executing this condition expression, what will be the value of x? What will be the value of a sorry, x? Okay, it's a 20. Now see, a greater than b, a is a 10, b is a 20, a greater than b, true or false? False. That means b is the answer, correct? So the b is assigned to the x, correct? So now suppose we have 10 and here is a 10, then a greater than b, true or false? True. So true means a or b. What will be the value? What will be the value of x? Then what will be the value of x? 20. How? Yeah, a is greater than b. That means what is going to be assigned, a or b? Yeah. So then value of x will be 20. Correct? So a greater than b. If this condition is true, then a will be output. Okay. If the condition get false, then b will be output. Correct? So this is what the expression, or this is what you can say that conditional operators or ternary operator. Okay, so this concept is always available on other programming language also. Okay, whatever you are going to learn in the Java, the same concept available in other programming language. Okay, if you know the Java, then you can know the all languages. Okay, same operator, arithmetical operator, logical operator, all kind of the operators. Okay, because if you don't know the operator, you can't perform the operations. Okay, that is very important. Operators are same: C, C++, Java, Python, PHP. All programming languages have the same, but their syntax are different. Okay, their syntax are different. This syntax is also the same in other programming language. Okay, expressions are same. Okay, notations are same. This all are the notations are same, but writing way means the syntax, that is public static void main system.out.println. In the C programming we write printf. C++ we write cout. In Python we write print. Okay, in Java we are going to write system.out.println. Okay, these are the different, that's it. But all the concepts are same in the all programming. Okay, these concepts are same. If you know the one programming language perfect, then you can easily understand the other programming language. Okay, logic is same. Logic is not going to be changed. So this is what logic. This is not going to be changed in any programming language. This statement is not going to be changed in any programming language. Okay, but the way of writing, the syntaxes get will be changed. Okay, syntax will be changed. Logic never change. A plus b we can write in the all programming language a plus b. That is not going to be changed. What is going to be changed? The syntax. Printf, system.out.println, print, cout. Okay, these are the syntax will change. Okay, now let us see the program on conditional operators. Okay, so Java classes. Let's say I'm going to create one package for today's program. Okay, so it's day 10, and here is what day 11. Let me create one package here under the SRS folder, sorry, src source file. Create here a package. Okay, all source code we are winding into the package. So here is a day 11, right? Now create a class file. Okay, create class file, that is what .java file. Let me take here the name of that file. That's why I'm teaching you this slowly, because if you don't understand this one, so it will be very difficult to you for understanding the automation testing. Okay, this is very basic, means if you know the Java, you can easily understand the automation testing. Okay, selenium, right? If you know the Java, then you are going to write the any code. Okay, if you know Java, that means you can also become a developer if you are very interested in the Java. Okay, automation is a tester is also the some type of developer. Okay, so here I am going to write the ternary operator demo, or you can write a conditional operator demo. Okay, ternary operator demo. Then include this public static void main method. Okay, so execution of the program will get start from main method. Okay, execution of the program is always get start from the main method. Okay, yes. So execution of program means that is it start from the main method. This is our main method. Okay, main method. Now I am going to write the code here. So what is the syntax here? Okay, variable var means I am writing variable is equal to expression, that is the syntax, then question mark, then you will get here what, result 1 or result 2. Okay, correct one. Yes, this is the syntax. Okay, this is our syntax. Let us see this is our syntax or not. Okay, this one same or not. Okay, see here what, expression or condition, this is what expression, and question mark. Okay, this is question mark. Then expected output 1 or expected output 2. That means result 1 or result 2. If this expression is true, then you will get the result 1 output. If the expression is wrong, okay, or this expression is false, then you will get the result 2 as answer as output. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, this is where means variable, that is storing to the one of the variable. Okay, so syntax like this way. So just for understanding purpose, I have written here the some syntax. Okay, this one. What happened here? And this is disable control Z. Okay, then if I am writing there, yeah, got it. So this is what a syntax. So now to demonstrate this program, I am taking here the two integer numbers. Okay, so the various way I am going to write this one. So first, so we have, okay, so int, suppose a having the 200, comma b is equal to 100. So we can declare the multiple variable in the one line. Condition what? All the variables should be integer. That's it. Okay. We can't write here integer a, then comma float b. Okay. We can't write like this way. Okay. If you declare here the one line as an integer, so all variables should be the integers. Okay. That all are the should be integer. The same variable. So you can write, if this is the integer variable, then you can write in the simultaneous by comma, by using the comma, you can separate that variables. Okay, the single line you can use 2 1. Then suppose we have the expression, suppose I am writing here the expression, that is what x is equal to. Now x is equal to expression, I am right to write. What is the expression? A greater than b. Just recently we have seen. Then question mark, the a colon b. Okay, this is what the statement, right? And whatever we are getting this output, okay, whatever we'll get the output from this statement, a greater than b, that is condition, then colon, and sorry, question mark, a colon b. This is what? Conditional operator or ternary operator. Okay, so now this is expression. Though if you want to find the largest number among the two numbers without using the if statement, okay, so listen carefully, this is very important point as a point of the interview. This is very important. With, if you want to find largest number or smallest number among the two numbers without using the if condition, okay, listen carefully, without using the if condition. So I have not started 8 if conditions. Okay, slowly we'll understand. Okay, I have not started the if condition. So now if you don't know if condition, and without using the if condition, if you want to find the largest number among the two number, so that we can use here ternary operator. Okay, largest number or smallest number among the two numbers, so that we can use ternary or conditional operator. So now, so if a greater than b is true, then you will get the a. If a greater than b is false, then you will get the b. So we need one variable to store the result. Okay, so that's why I'm using here x. Any variable you can take, okay, other than a and b. So now the x is going to store the result. So now, so we must, here a and b are, what is the data type of a and b? That is integer. Okay, this is the data type. What are the data means what kind of data is going to store that particular variable. This is known as data type. Okay, every variable have the data type. We must have to declare a is holding the integer number, b is also holding the integer values. A and b, two variables, are holding the integer kind of values. So what are the data types is int. Okay, we are declare the integer data type, that's what is holding the integer type value. So now all are the a and b are the integer kind of value. So whatever you are get the output, we are going to store in the variable, that should be what? Integer only. So that's why what I am going to do here, so x should be the also int, correct? So we have to declare this data type for the x variable is what integer. Okay, we can write like this way also. First you can declare and then you can assign. Okay, or so instead of writing this two statement, we combine the two statement in a single statement. Okay, what I did here, I have declared the one variable that is x, and that should be the returning the integer value, because this statement is written only integer value, because all the values are returning the integer. So here one of the variable I have declared x. Okay, so compiler will get confused where is the x is declared. Okay, so that's why we have declared the type of integer, type of x is integer. Okay, suppose if you not declare here, so we will get the error here. Okay, so what is the error here? That x cannot be resolved to a variable. So x cannot be resolved to a variable, that means x is not declared. So you must have to declare the integer x as an integer x. Okay, so now we are not having the any kind of error. So without writing the two statement, we can make it a single statement. Okay, so directly I can write here this one. Got it? Now I want to print the value of x. Yeah, of course. So how we are going to print the value of x? So we have to use the print statement. Okay, to print the output on console window. Okay, if you want to print the value output on the console window, then we have to use your system.out.println, right? So here system dot out dot println. Okay, let us print the value of x, correct? Now tell me what will be the answer here. Okay, tell me what will be the answer, what will be the output here. What? Yeah, so here the value of x will be 200. Yeah, correct. So value of x will be the 200. Okay, value of x is 200, correct. This is what one scenario, correct. So this is what example one. Now next scenario. Okay, I'm going to comment here. So the compiler is not going to execute. Okay, how the execution gets started? Line by line. So compiler raised to this statement, because actual execution of the program is start from main function. Okay, actual execution of the program is start from main function, that a terminal is comes here main, then after that it's come inside here. Okay, that is comes inside here. So now here is the comment line. So compiler is ignore this one. This is also comment. It will be ignore. And then integer a is equal to 200, b is equal to 100. This is read by the compiler. Again, this statement is also read by the compiler and calculate by the compiler. And after executing this one, then we are getting the result in the x, that is stored in the x, and you are printing here. Okay, that's the compiler do. Okay, so this is what example one. Let me comment all this one, and let us see the another situation. Okay, just a copy paste here. Control C. Okay, let me comment line by, this is a single line comment. Single line comments mean double slash. Okay, multi-line comments you can comment. Okay, so this is single line comment. Okay, that is for what? Only one statement. Suppose I want to comment, I don't want to execute this statement, then I can put here. Or you can use the multi-line comment. How we can use this one? Asterisk something, and this will be the multi-line comment. Then you can comment like this way. Okay, so it is start from the backside asterisk star, and it will going to end on this one. This is known as multi-line comments. Okay, so we are commented here multiple lines at a time. Okay, this is single line and multi-line. And if you don't know the single line and multi-line comments, please watch my previous videos. Okay, I have explained everything there. Okay, single line comments, multi-line comments, I have already explained that. Okay, so now this is what, let us next example. Okay, for the expression ternary conditional operator. Okay, so because everything I am going to give you in the depth way. Okay, this is only in depth so that you can understand very well and you can do the practice well. Suppose we have a is equal to 200, b is equal to 100, and integer x is equal to a greater than b. Now I am going to put here a less than b and this statement. So what will be the value of x here? Now what will be the value of x here? Yes, a is equal to 200, b is equal to 100. What will be the result? Output. What is going to be print in the output? 200. Now see, evaluate this one. First of all, terminal goes here. Okay, there is a nothing to print, right? This is the main function. The program gets start from here. Then terminal comes here. This is what? Comments, not going to read by the compiler up to here. Then the terminal is comes here. Integer a is equal to 200, b is equal to 100, read by the compiler. Then integer x is equal to a greater than b. If condition is true, then a. If condition get false, then b. This is read and store to the a and going to print the a value of x. Now see here, what is the value of a? 200. What is the value of b? 100. Now tell me, true or false? श्रुति, ट्रू कैसे हो गया? It will be false now. Okay, 200 is greater than 100, it is a true. 200 is less than 100, means it's a false or not, right now? So if it is false, then what is the value of this expression? A or b? A. How it is a? Expression is false. What is our condition? Expression is false, then this one. Expression is true, then this one. Expression is false, then this one. Huh? You do not understand. Understand? This is syntax. Okay. What is saying? Expression or condition. If it is true, then expression 1 will be the output. Correct? If this condition or expression is false, then this is your output. Correct? Same thing we are writing here, expression then question mark. Okay, if this expression is true, then result 1, this one. If this expression before the question mark, if this is the true, then this is the output. If this is the false, then this is the output going to be stored in this variable. Okay, so if expression is true, then result 1. If expression is false, then result 2. Correct? So here, for example, this one, So what is the value of x here? 20. Same thing. So before writing the program, I have explained this concept. Okay. And after writing the program, you have missed the concept. Okay. We listen carefully. We listen. Okay. So here, suppose a greater than b. Okay. What is the value of a? 10. What is the value of b? 20. Then what will be the value of x here? What will be the value of x here? A greater than b. True or false? False. False means which value is going to be print? A or b? Okay. This one b. A greater than b. Okay. Condition is unsatisfied. So the x is going to be stored what? B. Okay. Now understand? Correct? Now suppose the same thing I am writing here. Now a greater than b, true or false? So which one is going to be assigned to x? A will be assigned to x. Correct? So this means if you use here the greater than symbol, you are getting the greater value. Okay? Are you getting or not? So now greater value you are getting there. Okay? So now here A, now tell me what will be the output here? Means what? Value because here true and false is for the another way. We are storing this value here in the x variable and we are printing the value of x. So what will be the value of x? What will be the 100? So x less than b means 200 less than 100. True or false? False means a or b? B. What is the value of b? 100. Okay. So now let us execute and see the output. Got it? 100? Correct? Yeah. Well, you need to understand the concept. Concept is very important. Right. Great. So we can write a program to find the largest number among the two numbers using this statement. Okay, we can find the largest number among the two numbers. Suppose we have here integer a is equal to 150 and b is equal to something 200. Okay, so now I want to find the largest number. So I am writing here the x or y is equal to, okay, a greater than b. Okay, then question mark a colon b. So if you write here like this way, so that you will get the largest number. Okay, so system dot out dot print ln. Okay, and then we can print here. Now tell me if a greater than b. See, a greater than b. Condition true or false? False. Then what is going to be output? What is the value of b? 200. So the result is going to be stored in the y. Okay. So we need, which one is the greater from a and b? So we need output 200 or not? Yes. So greater number 200 we got here. So this is the way. Okay, if you want to find the smallest number among the two number, just make change the sign. Okay, change the sign. That's it. We will get the smallest number among the two number. Correct? 150 is the smallest, right? Instead of greater, you can put here the smaller. Okay, that is nothing in the matter because that is inside a double quote. Inside a double quote, you can write anything. Okay, but the concatenation after that variable name, so you will get the value of that particular variable. Okay, smaller number is 150. What you did here, we have changed the uh, sign. Okay, greater than, less than, operators. These are the operator we already seen. Less than, greater than, relational operators or not. These are the relational operators, right? So you got here the concept of how to find the largest and smallest number among the two number using, without using the if condition. Okay, without using the if condition we found, right? I'm getting my point. So this one. Yes. If condition is here, if you write here a greater than b, okay, then you can print here a is a greater number. That's it. But we have not used here the if condition. But in earlier next program, we are going to use the if conditions. That is useful. Okay, must we need to use. Yes, 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 yes. So, but in interview they will ask ternary operator and conditional operators for the Java, okay, or any programming language, because this concept is very important. If how we are going to find out the largest or smallest number among the two number without using the if condition? In a single line, we can write the statement. In a single line, we will get output instead of writing the if and else statement. Okay, if instead of writing the if and else statement, you can find the largest or smallest number in a single line of statement by using the ternary operators. Okay, okay, this is for smallest and largest number. So you can change the sign. Fine. On to smallest, then you can do like this. Next one, example number T. Sorry, example number 4. Suppose we have something different type here. So I'm writing here just expression can be anything, right? So here the expression is this one expression that we have put here. Okay. So now the expression is what I am going to write. 1 is equal to 1. That means what here? 1 is equal to 1 means it's a assignment operator. Okay, it's assignment. So how we are going to compare the two variable, two values? Which operator you use? I want to compare the two variables. Okay, two values. Then what is the operator name? Suppose I want to check here. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. I want to check if I want to check if A and B are same or different. Okay, then which variable, which operator I am going to use here? Yes, which operator I need to use here? Suppose value of A is 10 and value of B is 10, 20. I want to check whether the A and B are both are equal or different. Both are same or different. Then how we are going to check which operator that can be used? I want to check not greater, not smaller. My aim is that I want to check whether the A and B are both are same or different. That's it. Are they same or different? No, no. Check operators. Which operator is used? Check check operator, because if you don't know operators, then this will be very difficult. Okay, that's why we always learn the operator first. Check all operator. Check all this operator. Which operator is used? If I want to check whether the A and B are both are same or different, which operator we use to check the A and B are both values or variable, if they are same or different? Yes, Shruti, what is the name of that operator? If I want to check whether the A and B are same or different, which operator we are going to use to check? Yes, Shruti, relational. Okay, tell me relational operators. कौन सा relational operator use करेंगे? Which relational operator we need to use? Which relational operator? What are the relational operators? Yes, and is the logical operator. This is a logical operator, correct? It's a and logical and. It's a logical and operator. See all operators. Check all operators. Whatever I have taught you. Check every operators. Yes, we have to study. Whatever I taught the operators, check all operators and their meaning also. I have written there the meaning. Okay, what is the use of this operator? What is the use of this operator? Okay, I have mentioned the meaning also. I have found their operator. Yes, these are operators now. Okay, so this is arithmetical operator. These are the operators. Okay, you found that operator, or you have found that any program related that operator? Yes. I want to check among the A and B, both are same or different. I want to check if A and B are same or different. Same means if their values having the same, that means we'll get the true. If the two are different, so we'll get the false. Now we have the different value A and B, so your answer will be the false, correct? If I want to 20 20, B is also holding 20, A is also holding 20. So my question is, how we are going to find to check whether the A or B both are holding the same values or different values? How we are going to check? Which expression we are going to write? Which operator use to check whether the A and B are equal or different? Values of A and B are equal or different. Which operator we are going to use to check this one? Have you understood my question? Can you check here? Hello? Yes? It's not equal. Is is equal to. Correct? Equal is assignment operator. This is the equal. That is known as assignment operator. A is equal to 10. It's the assignment. Value of 10 is assigned to the A. This is what? Relational operator. See, less than is equal to, greater than is equal to, not is equal to, and is equal to. It's a comparator operator. Relational and comparator operator. We are going to compare with two numbers, two operand. Okay, we are comparing here. So our output will be true and false. A greater than B, A less than B, A greater than is equal to B, A less than is equal to B, right? Like this way, then we check here the B is equal to 30, and what is the value of A? A is also 30 here. If A and B both are same, so if A is not is equal to B, that is false, because A and B are same. If if not here, okay, A is equal to B, we are comparing the two variables, so that means it's a true value, correct? A and B both are same, that is true, output is true. Then B is equal to 20, suppose B is equal to 20, and what is the value of A? Current value of A is 30. Both are different, then output is false. This is known as comparator operator, logical operator. Which one is the comparator or logical operator that we have used? Sorry, which one is the comparator or relational operator we have used? That is equal to to compare the two numbers. Okay, to find the relation between the two variables, we use the relationship operator. This all are the relationship operator, or you can say the comparator operator. So this one is what? Is equal to operator we are going to use. That is what? Comparator operator. So we are going to take the comparison between the two operand. Got it? So if you want to check both the number are equal or different, then we are going to use here which operator? Is equal to, correct? So we are going to use here is equal to operator, correct? So now let us see, suppose comparator operator is equal to So check here, integer A is equal to, okay, I am going to write in the single statement. Okay, suppose A is not declared now. Okay, so I need to write here int x, sorry, integer x. Okay, so here consider that I am directly putting without using their A is equal to B. Okay, then question mark A colon B. Here I am not using, here I am using what? Variables name A and B, so that we have to declare the A and B variable, correct? And A is equal to B means value of B is get assigned to the A. So this is what assignment operator. So let me use another is equal to, that is what it is going to become a comparator operator, correct? But it's showing the error. Why? Because A and B are not declared. Okay, A and B are not declared. Earlier we have not declared the A or B, okay, because these are the all are comment. So that's why, but without using the A and B, just I am putting the values here. Okay, directly I am going to put the values. Okay, 1 is equal to 1. Okay, then question mark. Okay, the question mark, then I am going to write here the something different number. Okay, 100 and colon 200. Okay, it's a tricky question now for you. So what will be the output? Okay, just think and then tell me what will be the answer without executing in your system. Okay, to improve your skill first, you improve your brain. Okay, brain workout, right? Because system will give the answer in the fraction of second, but how this answer is come, this is very important. Now what will be the answer? We are learning only the one concept, that is what relation, sorry, ternary operator, or you can say the conditional operator. Yeah, tell me what will be the output. What will be the value of x get printed output? Hello, just analyze. Are you there? How to analyze? First we need to go to the bracket. Okay, now 1 is equal to 1, true or false? Okay, this is comparator operator, right? Is equal to is comparator, this is true. Then which part is get executed, means get the output? Either this one or this one. Yes, so it is going to be assigned to the x value, correct? So what will be the value of x now? How much easy is it? Yes, easy or not? It's very easy, correct? Yes, it's very easy. That's it. Go to the bracket. That's it. Check this one. Analyze by your brain. 1 is equal to 1. This is what? Comparator operator. If both are same, that means it's a true. Output become a true. True means what? This one, not this one. So this values get assigned to the that variable. Then value of that variable is going to become this value. That's it. Instead of if you can write here the A, suppose you are writing here the A and you are writing here the B, it will give the error. Why? Because A and B are not declared. Okay. So that's why we are writing directly here the values. Okay. We are writing directly here values. Okay. This is also the same thing. So that is depend on you how we are going to write, because you are going to learn all the concept of Java. But how, which concept you want to use in automation testing, that is your choice. Correct? That is your choice. I am going to teach you all this way. I am going to teach you all the ways. Okay? But that is your way, your compatibility, which concept you need to use to achieve this output. Right? Because we have the multiple ways. Uh, we can eat in in a single way, or you can use like this way, means from moving from head and then you can eat round, that is we are going to round our hand and then we can eat. Okay, so if you want to eat directly, you can eat the directly, or if you want to round your hand and then if you want to eat, then you can eat, right? But ultimately we are going to eat. Okay, every house we can have the some different roads, but you have to go to our destination. So you can use the shortcut route, you can use a different route. But ultimate goal is what? We have to reach that our house. That's it. So as per your convenient point of view, as per the requirement, you can go for, can use these concepts, okay, as needed. Now next one. Now what will be the output here? Now x is equal to, suppose a is equal to b. So a one, sorry, 1 is equal to b, 1 is equal to 2, and question mark 100 and 200 colon 200. Then it's going to be 200. So a1 is equal to true or false? It's a false. Means this part will get executed 200. So 200 values get assigned to the x. Correct? This is what 200. So this is 200. Okay? Correct. How much easy? Hai. It's very easy. Now example number 6. Suppose we have the difference in now. Again, just we need to do the practice. That's it. Suppose I am taking one variable. Okay, I want to check the age of the person. Okay, so if the person age is greater than or is equal to 18 in India, he is going to become a, eligible to vote. Correct? In USA, what is the eligibility criteria for voting? Yes. What is the eligibility criteria for voting in USA? When can vote the person? What is the minimum age criteria for voting for the person? 18 na? Okay, 18 is for to become a adult. Okay, he can vote after 18. He can vote, right? The same rule we have in India also. Same rule. Okay, 18. Then for marriage purpose, girls should be having the minimum 18-year-old. Otherwise, this is the child marriage will be considered below 18. That is punishable. Okay, chargeable. So above 18 or 18 or above 18, that is for criteria for girls to do the marriage, and 21 is for minimum for men. Okay, but 18 is what age criteria for voting. Okay, once he having the 18 or greater than 18. Okay, if the age is 18 or greater than 18, he can do the vote. Correct? So now I want to write one program to check whether the age of person is 18 or is equal to, or greater than 18. So he is eligible to vote. Okay, he is eligible to vote. So now my output should be in the form of string. Okay, eligible or not eligible. So now I need to write here the one okay, code. Okay, so here I am writing something person. Okay, you can write any variable name, person underscore age. This is my variable name. What is my variable name? Person underscore age. Okay, we use here the underscore. Okay, underscore age. So you are getting something different way. Okay, I'm just to comment here so that so just to remove this one. I don't want to use. Why it's showing this one? Actually, this is not error, but I don't want to see. Okay, control Z. Okay, see here the person underscore age is the variable name. We should have to use the valid variable name. This is what invalid variable name. We don't have. use this one. And the rules for the using the variable I have already explained. Okay, how we are going to write the variable name, right? Now, so I want to display the message as what? Age is greater than, so he is eligible. Age is 18 or greater than eligible. So how we are going to write the statement expression? Okay, so the person is, or if you want is a more name, so we can reduce here, no problem. Age, so age is what? Greater than, right? Is equal to 18, correct? This is our condition or not? Is equal to 18 is also eligible or not? If the person having the 18 age is also the eligible, and above 18 is also eligible or not, correct? Then which operator we are going to use? Relational operator. Is equal to greater than, correct? We are going to use the relational operator, which one? Is equal to greater than, correct? This one, right? Is equal to or greater than means both are same. Is equal to or greater than, this operator we are going to use. This one I have already explained. Okay, I have already explained this one. Okay, now greater than is equal to, then we can put here the colon, right? And then I am going to write here the, instead of numbers I am going to use here the string. Okay, string is what? Collection of characters. So I am going to write here, if this condition is true, if person age is greater than or is equal to 18, so I can write here one statement eligible. Okay, I can write here what? He is eligible to vote. Okay, so what will be the output here? Eligible and not eligible. Eligible. Okay, eligible, correct? So the person is eligible. So this is the string, that's what we need to use the double quotation. If you don't use the double quotation, it will throw an error. Okay, so this one is throws the error. So now, and here see, if you not use there, so it will throw here. Then if this condition is true, then this will be get print in the output. Okay, and this condition is false. Okay, so what are we missing here? Question mark is missing, correct? So here now we are getting the error, syntax error. Okay, if this condition is true, then we will get this output. If the condition is false, then we will get the not eligible. Okay, is it okay now? Right? Are you getting? If this condition is true, then eligible will get print. If this is false, not eligible will get print. Okay, so now we have to make this one. So that's why we are going to store eligible and not eligible. To store the output of this expression, we need one variable, correct? To store the output value means return of this expression, we need one variable. Okay, so because by executing this statement you will get the one value, either eligible or not eligible, correct? So we have to store that one. So that's why I have to store in the one variable. That variable name you can take anything. Okay, the variable name is x, correct? So now what is missing here? What is the data type of x? Correct, what is the data type of x? So should I use here integer data type? How? If you use the integer kind of data types, that means the statement is returning only integer value. Here the statement is returning the integer value. So here we are getting the some kind of error, correct? So we have to use in the double quote, because these are the text. This is not a numbers. These are the text values. Okay. Now is it okay? Okay. Double quotation is very important for the string, because this is the string. If you remove the double quotation, then it will become a numbers. Okay, and now what is the error here again? What is the error? Mismatch, cannot convert to the string to int. So if what will be the return type for this statement? Because these are the string. Okay, this is the string value. Okay, this is also the string value because that we use in the double quote. After executing this statement, we are going to take, we will get the value of this expression is string. The data type should be string. And what data type we have written here? Integer. So are you getting here 1, 2, 10 something output by executing this statement? Are you getting this one? No. So what we are getting after execution this statement? What you are getting? You are getting here eligible and not eligible, correct? Right? So what is the data type of this one? Eligible and not eligible, which is written inside the double quote, correct? So we have written inside a double quote. That is what will be the data type? That is string, correct. So the data types of the X should be string. Now you got the point, correct? So we can use here the string. Yes, should be capital, correct? So data type of X should be X. So now your error are removed, correct? And earlier all are the integer. That's why we are returning the Y value, X value as an integer kind. Okay. So if you use here the integer, that means it is going to print an error because these all are string, and we are getting here that one the string is not going to convert to the integer value. Okay, we are getting that error. You can see what error is showing: type mismatch, cannot convert from string to integer. That means we have to X should be what? String. Okay, the data type of the X is string. So now we can print. Okay, it's very easy. Programming is very easy. Okay, so you can print the value of X. So you will get true. What will be the output here? Can you tell me please? What will be the value of X going to be print here? Eligible. Okay, true means eligible. Okay, true and false keep in your mind. Okay, we need only answer. Yeah, eligible, correct. If the person having the 10-year-old, then means we have when which statement, which message is going to be print in the output? Not eligible, correct? Correct. Yeah, so that